Hey guys, the Gadget Man here with Nothing But Gadgets, and today I'm going to be showing you this rechargeable Engel Minnow Bubbler. So 3, 2, 1, let's get at it. Alright guys, so this product was sent to me for free to do this review, and that's what I'm going to do. You know me, I'm going to show you what it is, test it out in real world circumstances, and to give you an opinion on it. Alright, so, but first, let's take this thing out of the box. Alright guys, so here we go. First impressions is that this thing actually is very well built. Okay, I am an avid fisherman. I'll throw some fishing pics up here as I'm talking so you can be entertained by those. I have fished for over 40 years and on multiple continents. Okay, I've fished everywhere from the Arctic to the Amazon, and I love fishing. Okay guys, that's my hobby. That's what I do. I've done it for hobby, I've done it for survival, and I've done it commercially. But now I just like to have fun fishing. And you know, if you're trying to keep fish alive, or if you're fishing with minnows and live bait, natural baits and stuff, then you need a bubbler. And I've gone through a lot of bubblers in my life, guys. I mean, you know, Bubble Box and just your cheap ones at Walmart and stuff like that. And of all of them, I've got to say that just and first impressions of picking this up, this one's probably feels built better. It is really, really solid. It's supposed to be waterproof, so that's really cool. I love this idea that it's rechargeable, guys, because, I mean, you know, that right there is just, you use a lot of D-cell batteries in bubblers, and those, I don't know, bubblers nowadays, they just don't last very long. I'm hoping this is going to be a better deal. It's got a clip right here. I'm not sure, you know, it looks like a belt clip, but you can clip that on something. It's got these little rubber feet for anti-vibration, and I'm assuming maybe you're supposed to hook this on the side of a bucket. Engel also makes ice chests or coolers, and there are some coolers that this is designed to clip to, which are fish bubbler boxes and stuff like that, which are really cool. They didn't send me one of those. Maybe they will. That would have been great. I thought they actually were going to send me the whole kit so I could demonstrate that, but they just sent me the bubbler. So let's go ahead and do a little on-table test right here. I've got a big old bottle of water here in a half-gallon mason jar here, and so I'm going to go ahead and hook this up, and let's see what it does. Okay, so first let's see if we've got any power. Turned it on, and it shows to have about 3/4 power. So let's just hook this up right here. Got a little port right here on the bottom. Shove that right on there. This is a pretty short cord, but it'll serve. It's got a nice little stone here, so let's drop this down in the bucket here and turn it on. Alright, so I was kind of watching here. If you'll look on this, whenever you push the button, it'll blink for a second. So you turn it on, you see how it blinks right there, and then you push it again, it blinks right there, and it blinks right there. So right now, this is low speed. That's the lowest it goes. And then this is the highest. So you just have to watch for that little blink after you press the button. So right now, that's the most it can do. Okay? And now that's 3/4 speed, half speed, and low speed. All right, so it has 4 speeds. It's a lot of bubbles. It's not like a terrible, huge amount of bubbles, but that would keep quite a bit of fish alive right there. They're bigger bubbles, and it looks pretty good. It's really silent. This table makes a lot of noise, and so let me be real quiet so you can hear it. Okay, it is really, really quiet, even sitting on this plastic table here that makes a lot of noise normally. So that's actually really good. It feels good. It sounds like the motor feels solid. Doesn't feel jicky inside there. You know, overall, it just looks really good. And I'm going to take it out and do some fishing with it, guys. And hopefully, you know, use it to keep some fish alive and come back and give you a first-hand experience with it. But so far, I'm very impressed with it. Okay, guys, well, there you go. The Engel marine grade waterproof fish bubbler or tank bubbler. This thing looks like a well-built device. I hope it's going to last a long time. Hopefully I'll come back in the comments in a year or so and give you an update on how it's been doing, because I'm going to be using it a lot this year. I'm going to go ahead and release this video now, but subscribe to my channel and watch in the comments to see any updates about how well this is done. But right now I'm pretty confident this baby's going to be a good, long-lasting thing. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, please like, subscribe, and comment. Until next time, this is the Gadget Man saying, I'll see you later. Hey, the Gadget Man here, and I want to talk to you a little bit about the new feature that YouTube has announced called Super Thanks. And this is the viewer ability to basically give the creators a tip. You know, we don't make a whole lot of money from our videos, especially me. I do a lot of work on my videos to try to make them good for you. And, you know, I do them because I want to help people out. But, you know, it's good to be appreciated. So if you've got a couple extra bucks, I'd appreciate it if you throw them my way. If you don't, please enjoy the video. They're out there. I put them out there for free so that you can. But, you know, I would appreciate it if you could. Thanks a whole lot, and have a great day.